And we have not had an opportunity properly to eat Egyptian food. So we are determined to get out and eat Egyptian food, Egyptian street food in Egypt somewhere. We're in Luxor, Egypt, so let's go eat some street food.
I think I got everything in one bite. It's rice-a-roni meant Chef Boyardee combined together. That's what it would be.
I love our plate says I love you on it.
And mayonnaise.
And mayonnaise. It says I love you on it. We are Sam and Nick Simpson, and welcome to Simps on the Go. We quit our jobs to travel the world, and during our travels, we explored 17 countries across 4 continents in 4.5 months. Until the pandemic hit. We were cruising up the Nile in Egypt during the initial outbreak of the coronavirus, when a cruise ship 2 days before us was quickly quarantined due to positive results of several dozens of people on board. If you missed our last video, we spent the morning on the cruise pretty certain that we would not be able to get off the ship for 2 weeks. Neighboring countries were closing borders by the hour for flights coming in from Egypt, and Luxor was a major epicenter for the outbreak. And we knew we needed to get out as quickly as possible to avoid a semi-permanent border closure. While we did luckily make it off the ship, we had many hours before our hopeful flight out of Luxor to Cairo. So we thought we would enjoy some Egyptian street food, considering we had only spent a few short days in the country and had yet to try some of the famous local food. This experience was the brightness of a very stressful couple of days. Stay tuned for the next video, which is the final video of this 10-part Egyptian series, which will be the video of us trying to get out and find any flight to leave Egypt before all the borders close. While we wait for our flight, which is in about 6 hours, we are trying to get out of Egypt. If you missed yesterday's video, we're trying to get out of Egypt as quickly as possible because the coronavirus has spread from 2 cases to 55 cases in 2 days. So we were told very vague information about how the ship, they weren't sure if we were gonna go on the tours today or go right to the hotel or even be able to get off the ship. So this might be quarantine day number 1. We'll see. Yeah.
Can we get off the boat?
Until now, no. They said only the people that allow for them to go out, they go into the airport.
Okay.
Okay. Even your hotel, I don't know if they're gonna allow for you to go to the hotels or not.
Yeah. We are starting to get alerts that local countries or bordering countries or neighboring countries aren't allowing people to come in if they've been in Egypt. So we are trying to get out of here as quickly as possible. But because we have 6 hours and we can't really do anything else but wait, we're gonna go eat some Egyptian street food because we haven't had any street food yet in Egypt. So we're gonna go eat some Egyptian street food and then head to the airport. So everything's in Arabic on this menu. So thank you, handy dandy Google Translate, to help us out. Egyptian pizza.
Pizza.
Keftir.
Pizza. Okay.
No, is it keftir? Keftir. What about Hawawshi?
What about
Hawawshi.
Hawawshi?
Hawawshi. This?
Hawawshi.
Hawawshi. You have, and Kushari.
Kushari. 1, 2, 3. 2 Kushari. Okay.
So I think we ordered a shawarma, kalushki, which is like a blend of like pasta, chickpeas, lentils. I think it's just like a hosh-posh of just a lot of things. And then also we got, what was the other thing called? Hawawshi. It looked like a meat pie, but we're going off this list we found online of like street food that we should try. And a lot of things he didn't have and some things he had. So whatever he had, we said yes. We have no idea how much it costs, really what any of it is. So we're just gonna figure it out.
So it looks like in this shawarma, inside the hot dog bun, there's chicken, maybe some peppers and onions. I want to say this is mayonnaise or maybe some kind of cheese sauce, but I literally have no idea what's on this. Should I put the ketchup on it?
That was a reaction if I ever seen one.
It's spicy. It tastes like a Philly cheesesteak, but maybe with chicken. I love it, love it, love it. Ooh, this is really good. It's getting better. It's good. It's really good. Okay, let's do it. That's weird. Ooh, I don't know how I feel about that. Ooh, no ketchup, no ketchup. Oh, this looks good. What is this? Lentil?
Hummus.
Hummus. Hummus.
Hummus.
I don't say it right. Ooh, this goes with?
Yeah.
Salsa.
Salsa.
Spicy?
Okay, so this is called Kushari. It's a very traditional Egyptian street food because it has rice, like rice pilaf, and it has 2 different types of noodles in it, and tomato sauce, and like fried onions, I think, and lentils. I don't know if they were lentils. It kind of looked like meat, but I think they were lentils. I'm not entirely sure what's in it, but it is like the best like Egyptian food, which is so good. It's the best kind of poutine. Oh wait.
All right, here we go. I think I got everything in one bite. Ooh. It's got a nice kick to it. It kind of hits it right here.
Is it spicy?
It's like it burns right here. Like my mouth is okay, but like right here, I'm feeling it.
Oh my, okay. It tastes like SpaghettiOs, like Egyptian homemade SpaghettiOs. What is this?
Tahina.
Tahina?
Sauce.
Sauce.
Mustard.
Uh-huh.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. And do you eat it with this?
Batatas. More free.
Ah. Home free.
Spin the wheel.
Ooh, get that mayo. Yum.
Oh, there you go.
It tastes mostly like tahini and mustard. I'm really disappointed that the mayonnaise doesn't shine through like I thought
Oh, darn. Wow. Wow, is that kebab?
Hawawshi. That was that.
Shukran. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't know what just happened. Oh.
Money is not my forte today. That was really good. A lot more expensive than we thought, but very delicious. So I hope that you enjoyed our Egyptian street food as much as we did, because I think we got some things that are really unexpected and probably not something you typically see. One of the things that we wanted to order, I don't think he actually put in, so it never came. It was like this beef pie thing, but it took a very long time to get our food, so we're not too mad about it. It's almost 6 o'clock. We're about to head to the airport. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and leave a comment if there's another street food that we didn't try or see that we should try next time we're in Egypt, because we will definitely be back. See you on the go.
We shall see if we can make a next flight out of this country.
So now the saga continues as we rush to get our bags, and I need to call Chase to try and change our flight. So none of us got on our flight.
No. No, I didn't get it.
Struggle is real right now. Both of you, both your faces are struggling real hard.
I got it. Okay, ready? Hummus or hummus? Mayonnaise?
Kushari.
I love you. I love you. Oh, right. I love you. I love this. Thank you. The plate says I love you. It's a really good picture. Really good.